Hello, my little yogis. Today we're going to move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss a yoga playtime. Ready? Let's go. Open your arms wide like a strong warrior. You look powerful and focused. Make an upside-down V with your body. Stretch long like a happy dog. Lean forward onto your hands and balance like a little bird. Amazing job! Drop your belly and lift your chest like a happy cow, then round your back like a cat. Nice stretching! Come onto your hands and knees and stretch one leg back. Strong and steady like a tiger. Lie on your belly. Grab your feet and lift your chest softly. Strong and flexible like a bow. Lift your arms and legs like a flying superhero. So strong and brave. Sit down and lift your legs like a little boat on the water. Keep your tummy strong. Lie on your back and gently lift your legs over your head like a rolling wheel. Rest your arms on the floor. Lie on your back and lift your legs up to the sky. Support your hips with your hands and stay tall like a candle. Sit with your legs straight and push your hips up high. Open your chest and stay strong and steady. Sit with your legs straight and push your hips up high. Open your chest and stay strong and steady. Lie on your back. Place your hands and feet on the floor and push up to make a big rainbow. Bend your knees and reach your arms up like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Strong legs, little yogi. Stand on one leg like a graceful dancer. Hold your foot behind you and reach your other arm forward. It's okay to move a little. Bend forward and let your head hang down like a sleepy elephant. Relax your shoulders and breathe softly. Stand tall on one foot and lift your other leg behind you. Stretch your arms wide like airplane wings. It's okay to move a little. Sit tall with your legs crossed like a peaceful flower. Breathe slowly and calmly. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe to join our next yoga adventure. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax, smile, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.